Good morning, boys and girls. Yes, it's a flash from the past. This is how I used to do our assignments back in the spring last year before we started school this year. We had a whole schedule. But I wanted to reinforce the idea of plural and singular nouns, and I wanted to make sure you understood it before you did your worksheet. So, by now you should have watched a video on singular and plural nouns, and you understand that singular is one and plural means more than one. So it could be two, three, four, five, six. Now, how do we write a plural noun? Is we add an S. Sometimes we have to write an ES in order for the word to make sense. So I'm going to work this worksheet with you and show you that when I add an S or ES, that means more than one. It is a plural noun. Alrighty, so our first word is apple. And of course, that's one apple. But if I add an S, now I have more than one. Apples. Fox. We have one fox. This is one of the words we have to add an ES to. So we have foxes, which means more than one. We have a brush, and once again, we have to add ES. Brushes. Then we have the word ball, that's one. This word we only have to add an S. And it becomes balls, more than one. Again, word tent is one. If I add the S, tents is more than one. Sandwiches. I'm sorry, it's one sandwich, but if I have more than one sandwich, it's sandwiches, and then I have to add an ES to that. A watch is one. Add an ES, watches. We have an axe. If I want more than one, axes. I have the word pig, one little pig, but if I add an S, it would be more than one pig. We have the word house, one house. I just have to add an S. Houses. And one of my favorite insects, a bee. And if I want more than one, I would add an S. And last but not least, we have a tomato. And I have to add an ES to tomato to make it tomatoes. So once again, boys and girls, when we have a singular word, it does not have an S or ES on the end. But to make it plural, make it more than one, we would add the S and sometimes ES. And that's it for today. Make sure you get your slide done and have a great day.